Hi everybody, this is Miss Knight. I just wanted to show you how to log in to STEM Scopes. You're going to go to login.acceleratelearning.com, and this is what the screen is going to look like. And you want to log in using your username and password. And we're just going to push login right here. Loading. So as soon as you log in, the very first screen that you're on is your assignments screen. And you will be doing this STEM Scopes for science and math. So right now, Miss Clopton has assignments assigned for you guys. And as you do your assignments, they will disappear. Math will be underneath science. There are no math assignments at this time, but there will be some more in the future. At the top, you will notice there are tabs you can click on: grades, learning resources, games, my notes, visual glossary. So we're just going to go ahead and click on learning resources. Let's see what resources we have available. So you have lots of resources available for math. Here's our picture vocabulary. These are your science picture vocabulary. All kinds of different pictures to click on and learn from. All 5th grade TEKs and skills that they need to know in a fun, easy way to understand. So let's go back to learning resources. Click on learning resources. So let's click on Math Today and see what Math Today is all about. Adding fractions, adding and subtracting rational numbers. Okay. Different concepts and skills. So let's click on one and see what they have. So Math Today is going to be stories that are related to a certain type of concept or skill in math. So this one is the largest asteroids from add and subtract rational numbers. So this whole story will all be about space and fun stuff like that. And then at the bottom, we're going to have some fun math questions that are related to the story. So that's what you're going to be finding at Math Today in your learning resources. So you can go back up to learning resources and come back to the main screen with all of your learning resources. These are just extra resources to have fun with and to build your students' skills with science and math. So we can go back to, let's click on games. There should be some games there for your students to play once they finish with all their work. Different games for the kids to enjoy. My notes. And click on my notes. No notes at this time. Visual glossary. just more ways to build your skills and to get a better understanding of content in real world situations. Let's click on air. Alright, so well, those are all of your tabs that you will be able to look through and had fun with as you're building your skills with STEM scope, with science and math. If you need any help, please let us know. Thank you.